In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Hindi, 2026 full guide. Mastering professional communication across languages can feel overwhelming. Endless grammar rules, rigid style guides, and scattered vocabulary can slow anyone down. In 2026, ChatGPT is your linguistic co-pilot for regional content, helping you plan, write, and refine confidently in Hindi. Open your text editor and let's get started. First, build a hyper-personalized dynamic itinerary. The biggest pitfall is asking for a generic lesson plan. Instead, tell ChatGPT who you are, who your audience is, and what outcomes you need. Ask it to act as an elite Hindi corporate communications coach and design a detailed roadmap that prioritizes natural conversational flow, modern vocabulary localization, and culturally engaging structures, while skipping dense, repetitive drills. Request modules sequenced by real-world scenarios to reduce mental fatigue, regional vocabulary recommendations, and a clean markdown table so you can scan your plan at a glance. The more precise your parameters and constraints, the better the roadmap. Next, optimize complex logistics and route planning. If you're juggling Devanagari and Romanized scripts or trying to keep a stable professional tone across scripts and channels, let ChatGPT map the mechanics before you draft. Ask for efficient language routing, examples of persuasive syntax and contextual linkage, guidance on structural weight distribution, and tips for maintaining a vocabulary continuity sheet. For best results, paste a short sample paragraph and request tailored feedback that keeps your voice clear and consistent. Now, uncover hidden local gems and avoid the tourist traps of bland phrasing. Request 5 high-yield idioms, unique phrasing adjustments, or niche narrative transitions celebrated by modern Hindi creators but often missed by basic tools. Have ChatGPT explain why each choice works, when to use it, what tone it conveys, and how to weave it into sentences without sounding forced. Save these as modular building blocks you can reuse. Then generate an all-inclusive checklist and pre-writing guide. Ask for a comprehensive quality control list organized by cultural authenticity and tone, structural cadence and pacing, script precision for Devanagari and Hinglish, and idiomatic accuracy. Include a short pre-writing alert section covering mechanical blind spots, passive voice limits, and literal translation pitfalls. Turn this into a reusable template to run before and after every draft. Finally, architect a robust proofreading blueprint. Have ChatGPT act as a master copy editor to assess narrative flow, vocabulary diversification, and tone consistency. Request common structural weaknesses, 3 smart ways to elevate phrasing without losing your human voice, and a concise text review dashboard you can iterate on. Run multiple passes, first for structure, then for clarity, then for polish. Handing the heavy lifting, phrase tracking, syntax mapping, and diagnostics to ChatGPT frees you to craft powerful, world-class communication. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next.